Good morning everyone, dear children. Today I am explaining about surds rationalizing the denominator. I am doing simplification by rationalizing the denominator of given surd. The surd in fraction, the numerator term square root 3 plus 1 upon square root 3 minus 1. Dear children, what is your question? Rationalize the denominator part, children. Now I am doing rationalizing means the term you should convert it into rational number. Convert it into rational number by multiplying suitable rationalizing factor of the surd, children. That process we are calling by rationalization. You know that. Solution part. Now I will write down the denominator part. Denominator term, what is there? Root 3 minus 1. The lowest rationalizing factor of last classes I wrote completely. Lowest rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1. What is root 3 minus 1? That is denominator of the surd. Is, what is that? Lowest rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1 is binomial is there, means the same term you should write down, but in between minus is there, you take here plus, children. This one, this is the rationalizing factor of denominator part. This one we are multiplying numerator and denominator, children. Now coming to the next step, what is that? Given surd, I will write down here root 3 plus 1 whole divided by root 3 minus 1. You should use bracket. Why? Because binomial is there. Now I am multiplying which one? Which one? Lowest rationalizing factor of denominator. What is that? Root 3 plus 1. Use the bracket. Numerator also this one multiply. Root 3 plus 1 only. Don't change any term. Don't change any sign. See, which one we are multiplying the term, we should multiply numerator also, children. What is the next step, children? Very easy. See, now it is in the form of, look here, I will read once again, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a plus b. What happened? You know that, children? A plus b into a plus b became a plus b whole square. You know, 2 into 2, it became 2 square as it is. Now monomial into monomial, monomial square. Binomial into binomial, same binomial into same binomial is equal to binomial square, children. Numerator became, I will write root 3 plus 1 whole square, whole divided by this one in the form of, you know that, a minus b into a plus b. I will write here a minus b into a plus b is equal to what happened? A square minus b square, children. Like a value root 3, b value 1 is there. A minus b into a plus b, it became a square, a value root 3 minus identity minus is a square, b value 1 square, children. What is the next step, children? Numerator, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. I wrote already a plus b whole square is equal to what happened? A square plus b square plus 2ab, children. For instead of this one, you should expand that identity. A plus b whole square means a value root 3, b value 1. I write root 3 square plus 1 square. Here plus is there because plus 2 into root 3 into 1, children. You know everything. Next, once again I will write 2 into root 3 into 1, children. See, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A value root 3. Root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 into root 3 into 1. A value root 3, b value 1. Whole divided by. Now it is a form of a square minus b square. Square square cancel. 3 came minus 1 square means 1. Final step is equal to. This also square cancel. Here nothing will cancel. 3 remaining plus 1 square means 1. Plus is there as it is. 2 into 1, 2 will come. 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 whole divided by 3 minus 1 became 2, children. What is the final step, children? 3 plus 1, these two are rational. This is irrational. Because rational addition we will do. That 4 came plus this one 2 root 3 as it is whole divided by 2, children. Final step, see denominator 2 is a numerator also. Even number is a coefficient even number 2 is a. I will take 2 is common factor. 4 I wrote, if I wrote 2 into 2 became See, 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. This 1 2 came outside, remaining 2 plus root 3 whole divided by 2 children. Which cancel finally? This 2 cancel. Last answer is equal to 2 plus root 3 is the answer. Denominator, nothing. 1 is there. 1 is, that is rational number. Once again I will explain, children. I will give the conclusion. Rationalizing the denominator of this third, now it is in fraction. Denominator for root 3 minus 1 is it. Numerator, whatever it may be, don't think. Denominator only you see. Denominator part, write down first in solution part. For that one, lowest rationalizing factor of denominator part is equal to root 3 plus 1. Why I wrote root 3 plus 1 means, you know, binomial term as it is will take, here minus is there will take plus. If it is here plus is there will take here minus, children. Now, given fraction I written, the lowest rationalizing factor term I multiply denominator and numerator also. Next you should observe what is the numerator here and here. Same terms is there. A plus b into a plus b became a plus b whole square. Denominator a minus b into a plus b became a square minus b square. Children, somebody is there to this one again shall I cancel, sir? No. Why we are multiplying means denominator term it is in third. We are converting in rational number, children, like because we are multiplied this one. Don't cancel anything again. Again if they cancel we will get same term as it is. Now a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a value root 3, b value 1. Now denominator square root and 2 cancel, power 2 cancel, remaining 3 minus 1 square means 1. Remaining this square cancel, 3 plus 1 square means 1 plus 2 into root 3 into 1 became 2 root 3 came. Whole divided by 2 came, children. Next finally, see here addition what, which one you do, very important. These two are rational number, this is irrational number, third is a irrational, you know that. So third with coefficient anything is that completely irrational. These two rational addition 3 plus 1 became 4 plus 2 root 3 as it is whole divided by 2. This one I expanded the here, children. 4 instead of I wrote 2 into 2 plus as it is 2 root 3. These two are common is there, I took outside like this. 2 common factor. Remaining 1 2 inside plus as it is root 3 only. Whole divided by 2. These two are product. This coefficient and this denominator term cancel. 2 ones are 2 ones are remaining 2 plus root 3 whole divided by 1, children. This is the final rationalizing the denominator after we got the solution. I'll continue one more problem. Now children, one more problem. Same, rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator means denominator term it is in third form, that one converted into rational number. Third is irrational, that one converted into rational process we are calling by rationalization. Which one we are doing? Denominator only we are doing rationalization. Coming to the solution part, I will read the question. Root 3 minus root 2 whole divided by square root 3 plus square root 2. See, what is the denominator part? Denominator is root 3 plus root 2, children. See, lowest rationalizing factor of root 3 plus root 2 is equal to. Already you understand which one will come. Root 3 root 2 as it is will come. In between what sign consider? Here plus is it because you consider minus. Why means you know that this two if I multiply means a plus b into a minus b became a square minus b square. The square cancel, then you will get rational number. Now coming to directly that what is that? Given root 3 minus root 2, 1 minute. Root 3 minus root 2 whole divided by root 3 plus root 2. Given third I written into, I am using bracket. Why? Because this is binomial. Should use binomial, don't take confusion. Now, what is this? This is lowest rationalizing factor of denominator term. This one multiply denominator and numerator also, children. Root 3 minus root 2, root 3 minus root 2. What is next step? Observe numerator. Again, a value. Here root 3 is there. Here also root 3 is there. Root 2 is there. Minus is there. Now it is in the form of a minus b into a minus b is equal to a minus b whole square. This one again expand a square plus b square minus 2ab. First, instead of this two, I will write down this one. Next step, children. Look here, everyone. Now, a minus b into a minus b became a value root 3 minus b value root 2 whole square, children. Easy understand? Whole divided by. Someone they will think, sir, this square root 3 minus square root 2 shall I write? Is possible. You should expand this method only. A minus b whole square method you should expand, children. Now the here denominator root 3 is a. Now denominator, children, root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 is there. Terms same is there, but sign is difference is there. Term same is, you consider root 3 as a, root 2 as a b. A plus b into a minus b. You know, children, a plus b into a minus b. Identity, you know that, a square minus b square. Understanding? Instead of root 3 plus root 2, root 3 minus root 2, I will write root 3 square minus root 2 square, children. Now what next? Dear children, look here. This square root cancel, this square root cancel, but this will not cancel. This one we are expanding by using a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. What happened? Look here. A value root 3 square plus identity, b value root 2 square minus, in the identity minus is there, 2 into root 3 into root 2, children. Whole divided by remaining 3 minus 2 children. What next? Here square root cancel, here nothing will cancel. What is the next step, children? Very easy is there. 3 will come, square root cancel, plus 2 will come, minus 2 into root 3 into root 2. I told last class, I already explained, children, root 3 into root 2, I will write square root of 3 into 2, it becomes square root of 3 2s are 6, children. Coefficient, what is it? That product will come here, outside. Understand? See, you go back, square root 6. Instead of 6, we will write 3 into 2. For 3, separate square root. For 2, separate square root. Understood, children? Order same is there. We will multiply the radicand inside the order and coefficient will multiply outside. 2 into coefficient, 1 is there, 2 1s are 2. Square root of 3 into 2, children. Next step I will continue. Whole divided by 3 minus 2 became 1 is equal. See, denominator already became rational, but numerator should simplify. What is the next step? 3 plus 2 became 5, as it is minus 2 into square root 3 2s are 6, whole divided by 1. This is the final solution of the rationalizing the denominator, children. You should watch once again, twice, thrice, you will understand. Similar problem you should practice. Let's have continue some more similar problem. Dear children, one more problem. Same, rationalize the denominator of this side. Denominator term which is a 2 into root 5 minus 3 into square root 2. Look at children, numerator and denominator same terms are there. 2 root 5, 2 into root 5, 3 into root 2, 3 into root 2. But here numerator in between plus is there, denominator in between minus is there. You know, a plus b divided by a minus b is possible to cancel. Someone they will do a, b cancel. This is wrong method, children. Don't do this method. Binomial, same sign, same term, same coefficient is there, is possible to cancel. Now, same method. Before problem avoid it, same method. Solution part, denominator of this question is, what is the denominator term? 2 into root 5 minus 3 into root 2, children. See. Now what is the next step? Lowest rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is, what is that? You know the children? Same terms here also, no simplification. Here root 5 coefficient 2 is there, root 2 coefficient 3 is there, 3 and 2 not possible to take any common factor. Inside the square root radicand 5 is there, here 2 is there, here also not possible to simplification. Same term 2 root 5, 3 root 2, in between minus is there, in between here plus will come. This binomial lowest rationalizing factor multiply denominator and numerator also. Coming to this part, children, here. Now what is the next step? I will write down 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 whole divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2, children. Easy, not is equal, multiply. So I will use the bracket. Why? Because you know binomial terms, confusion don't want. Multiply with this term 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Use the bracket. Denominators are same term 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, children. Now this one, why I multiply? Understanding denominator, we are doing rationalization. Same terms is there, but here given question minus is there, here plus is there. Now it became a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square will come. Numerator, a value 2 root 5, here a value 2 root 5, b value 3 root 2, b value 3 root 2. In between plus to plus is there, you know that a plus b into a plus b is equal to a square plus, a square alla, a plus b whole square, children. A plus b whole square. This one expand, a square plus b square plus 2ab, children. First step, instead of this 2 I will write, see, instead of this 2 I will write, look here, children, very easy. What is the next step? 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square, whole divided by denominator, what is it? Now it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, children. Now a value 2 into root 5. See, before I use it directly square, coefficient 1 is there, nothing will happen. But here coefficient 2 is there, should use bracket whole square. A value 2 root 5 because I use it whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square is equal. Very important next step. Now this one you should expand by using a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a value 2 into root 5 whole square plus 3 into root 2 whole square plus 2 into identity 2 into a into b, a value 2 root 5 into 3 root 2 whole divided by, now children, denominator a square minus b square means a term 2 into root 5 is there. This square applying this 2 also, root 5 also. 2 square into root 5 whole square minus as it is. Minus as it is, children. 3 into root 2 whole square is there. This square applying 3 also, root 2 also, children. If it is a into b whole square is there means we will write a square into b square. This method I am writing here. Here 3 square into root 2 whole square will come, children. Which cancel? You should observe everyone. This square will cancel. This square will cancel. But this one will cancel. But this square applying this 2 also. This square applying this 3 also. What is next step? I will write here, children. This square applying this 2 also, because 2 square into root 5 whole square plus as it is 3 square root 2 whole square plus 2 into this 2, 2 2s are 4 and this coefficient 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 into root square root of 5 into 2. Order same is it because radicand we will multiply inside the order. Whole divided by, children, what happened here? See, this 2 square became 4 into square root cancel, remaining 5 only, minus as it is 3 square means 9 into square root cancel 2 as it is, children. What is the next step? Here now it is possible to cancel square root cancel. Here will not cancel anything. Here already over. 2 square became 4 into 5 will come plus 3 square means 9 into 2 will come plus as it is plus 12 into square root 10 will come whole divided by 4 5s are 20 minus as it is 9 2s are 18, children. Now simplification I will continue there. All of you observe it, children, very easy. Is equal 4 5s are 20 plus as it is 9 2s are 18 plus as it is 12 into root 10 whole divided by 20 minus 18 means plus 2 will come, children. Numerator next step simplification 20 plus 18 38 plus 12 into root 10 whole divided by 2. Children, 38 and 12 is divisible. Denominator 2 is there. In this numerator 2 terms, take 2 is common factor. 2 came outside. Inside what will come? 38 divisible by 2 means 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. 19 twos are 38. Correct is there? Plus as it is. Here 12 divisible by 2 means 6 will come. Means 6 twos are 12. Square root 10 as it is, children. All divided by 2. Final step. This 2 ones are cancel. Final answer 19 plus 6 root 10 whole divided by 1. Denominator we got rational number. The question rationalize the denominator. We did rationalization. Numerator you cross check what we take common factor. See 19 twos are 38. 6 twos are 12. 12 into root 10 as it is whole divided by 2. In this 2 term I take 2 common factor. This denominator 2 common factor 2 cancel. Remaining 19 plus 6 into root 10 whole divided by 2, 1 is there. This is the final solution, children.